जो कि टॉस होने के लिए अब बिल्कुल तैयारी मुकम्मल है और टॉस बस हुआ ही चाहता है।
Final four, lucky enough to have two of the teams and the captains with me out in the middle today. Kane Williamson from New Zealand, Bubba Azam from Pakistan, and match referee in Chris Broad to make sure everything is done correctly. All right, Kane, you have the coin.
Head.
Heads is the call. Tails it is. Kane, like it's landed your way. What are you going to do and why?
We're going to have a bat. Used surface, not much grass on it, so make use of it first up.
Are you going to surprise us and say any changes to your team at all?
We're going with the same team.
Yeah. Familiarity, is it help? Or you've played on this pitch before against Australia, a couple of games here as well?
Yeah, same pitch but different, I reckon. So it's important we adjust to those changing conditions and make sure we assess early and try and stick to our plans as a unit.
So when you say changing conditions, not looking at that sort of 200 mark?
Oh, I mean, well, we'll have to wait and see, won't we? But yeah, we'll just have to assess conditions. There's a few unknowns, as there always are in these sorts of tournaments, so important we just stick to our plans, really.
You've been here, done that before. Things change for you as captain with the team coming into the finals? It's an isolated match, and so for us it's really focusing on this game, what we want to do here in the different conditions, and really just try and express ourselves with the cricket that we've been playing. Yeah, all the best today.
Cheers. Thanks.
Bubba, bowling first, what do you make of that?
Yeah, definitely, but we are also batting first, but the task is not our hand, so we will try to take early wickets and put pressure on them.
Okay. Any changes to your side from the match against Bangladesh?
No, we have a same team.
Okay. It's been a slow start for Pakistan in this series, and now all of a sudden you've got a real move on. Is Pakistan getting sort of closer to its best cricket?
Yeah, we have our first two matches, they cost us, but the way team playing last three matches, we have a confidence as a team, and we carry that momentum in this match, and we will try to our best in the match, and looking forward to them.
And confidence also must come from playing in the Tri-Series against New Zealand. What did you learn about them then?
Yes, we have a lot of confidence over there. We are playing a triangle series, but New Zealand is a quality fast bowler, quality batsman, so we will try to calm and relax and play according to situation, and looking forward to the match.
Confident to get through to another final, first one since 2009?
Yeah, we have played, I think, last two finals, so I hope third one also, but we are trying to focus on this match and try to win this match.
All the best tonight. Thanks, Bubba. There you have it. New Zealand have won the toss here tonight in the first semi-final, and they'll bat first.
तो सिडनी में न्यूजीलैंड ने टॉस जीता है, पहले बैटिंग का फैसला किया है। बाबर आजम 11 को अब पहले बॉलिंग करनी है। पाकिस्तानी टीम में कोई तब्दीली नहीं की गई है। मोहम्मद हारिस को भी टीम का हिस्सा ही रखा गया है और अब न्यूजीलैंड की टीम कुछ देर में 1 बजे अपनी बैटिंग का आगाज करेगी। न्यूजीलैंड की टीम भी अनचेंज्ड है।
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक पर क्लिक करें।
बहुत अच्छी कवरेज की है, ये मार्च की तो जबरदस्त कवरेज थी, बॉल की प्रॉब्लम सबसे बेस्ट थी।
सबसे ज्यादा रील्स और सबसे ज्यादा रेटिंग के साथ बोल रहा नंबर 1।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।